Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here again at Baxter Cycle, and look what I've got here. This is a Street Twin 900 EC1. EC1 is a postal code in England that's known for its cafe racers or custom bikes. And this is a special edition. It wasn't supposed to come to the States, but I guess at the last minute they decided to send it. It's a 1 year only with these colors. The color is matte silver ice over matte aluminum silver. I suppose this is matte silver ice and this is the matte aluminum down here. Beautiful. Here's the aluminum again. Just a gorgeous looking machine. High style, of course. Just very beautiful looking motorcycles. Like all Triumphs, of course. It's got a 900 twin with a 270-degree crank. 4 valves per cylinder, so it's a fuel-injected bike with eight valves total, 4 valves per cylinder, single overhead cam. I love these spark plug covers. Just goes with the whole thing, doesn't it? It is fuel-injected, but it's got these covers over the manifolds. Got the beautiful Triumph heart, the brush pipes, stainless covers, just gorgeous. And of course, like any Triumph, look at the quality of the foot, foot gear, well, anything, pegs. This looks like a transmission, but it's actually a chain cover. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. 64 horsepower, 11-to-1 compression, 64 horsepower, and about 59 foot-pounds of torque. So plenty of all that. It's liquid cooled. There's the radiator. You have to look for the radiator. Kind of blends right in. It's got a 5-speed transmission. And Triumph transmissions are the best. But even that, I mean, look at that lever. That's, that's a cast piece, not a stamp steel. That's just, like I said, everything with Triumph. All the details are just right. This one's just been ridden, so it's kind of warm. Tires in the front are 190/18. Looks like a Pirelli. Oh, very nice. Phantom Sport. And on the back, it's a 150. Look at that, 150. That's a nice beefy tire. 150/70/18. I'm sorry, 150/70/17. Front forks are 41 millimeter, non-adjustable. They do have the fork boots, and look at the fender. Isn't that just gorgeous? Rear is twin RSU shocks, adjustable compression, and the brakes on this hot rod. And by the way, Triumphs always have the best brakes. It is a single disc, but it's a large disc. It's 310 millimeter, full floating. Look at that. And then they're just gorgeous. I think that's a 4-pot Brembo. Looks like it's not a monocaliper, but just gorgeous. 4-pot Brembo, 310 millimeter, floating disc. Just a beautiful thing. ABS, of course. And on the back, it's 255 millimeter, single pot Nissan, I think. Dual pot. It's a dual pot. There it is right there. Seat height is about 30 inches, just a little over. Wheelbase 57 inches, just a little over 57.1. Beautiful looking machine. Tank 3.2 gallons, and these are supposed to get in the 60s for miles, 60 some miles per gallon. I think their website says 69 miles a gallon, so that's quite a range. That's 12 liters, by the way. Wet weight on this bike, the wet weight, 476 pounds. That's not bad at all. It's a very it feels like a small motorcycle. It's slim. Look at that. You got the pipe sticking out, the fin showing, that nice tank, gorgeous slender midsection. Just beautiful. Locking gas cap. Just gorgeous. So let's look at the dash. Oh, look at this little heel plate cover, metal heel plate cover. I love this metal screen through here on these side covers. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Chain drive, of course. Let's get up here to the dash. Simplicity, beautiful simplicity. This has got a crown to it. It's not flat. Analog speedometer, no tachometer. It has a trip A, trip B. Rider modes are road mode and sport mode. And I think those are controlled, well, with the mode button. Nothing happens when you push it right now. Must have to run. Information button here, and that gets you from trip A, trip B, odometer, all that neat stuff. There's trip 1, trip 2, miles per gallon, fuel. There is a fuel gauge over here. There's a clock. Turn signal indicators, high beam, neutral, ABS, oil. Look at the detail on this. These nice shiny ends. Very nice switch gear. And the blinkers, that's one of my pet peeves. Blinkers on Triumphs always work great. Look at this, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous work. Every detail, every detail. Adjustable clutch lever for throw, adjustable brake lever for throw. Look at the backs of these mirrors. Just well done. Everything's well done. And I love the headlights. Isn't that just neat? Passing light. And these fenders, of course. Beautiful. How many spoke wheels? 8, 9, 10? It looks like a barrel of fun, doesn't it? Okay, Triumph Street Twin Limited Edition EC1 model. Just a beautiful motorcycle. Get yourself to a Baxter Cycle, check it out. You need one of these. Life's too short. Get out there and ride. Wahoo!